Hello everybody, I am Dr. Dayashankar Gautam, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, St. Aloysius College, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Today we will be studying the flow of saliva from acinar cell to the lumen. We know that the salivary glands are made up of acinar cells, and these cells are controlled under neural senses. So when the neural sensation comes, then the three different receptors are activated. What are these three different receptors? Please see. This is alpha adenoreceptor, this is acetylcholine receptor, and this is substance P receptor. These together, when are released, when are activated, then they activate for PLC, that stands for phospholipase C. When phospholipase C enzyme is activated, it actually splits phosphatidylinositol biphosphate into two substances. Number one, DAG, that is diacyl glycerol, and number two, inositol triphosphate. Now when this inositol triphosphate is activated, then this goes inside the endoplasmic reticulum where the calcium is stored. Now this calcium will be released outside. When this calcium is released, then potassium is required to be ousted. So this will be ousted through potassium channels. Now this excess amount of the release of the calcium increases the release of H2O inside the lumen and sodium inside the lumen. Now another process is what? In another process also this happens, and the excess amount of the DAG, the excess amount secreted by the DAG, this DAG from the DAG increases the exocytosis processes. Number one factor, and factor number two which increases the exocytosis is this is beta adenoreceptor. This is beta adenoreceptor and vasoactive intestinal peptide receptors. These activate AC. This AC is adenylate cyclase, and this adenylate cyclase activated CAMP, which is called as cyclic AMP. This cyclic AMP activates protein kinase pathway, due to this protein kinase pathway, the exocytosis process occurs, and amylase enzyme with certain polypeptides, the exocytosis process happens, and these amylase enzymes and certain polypeptides are secreted in the saliva. This is the process. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch.